Hi, in this video we are going to discuss Kohlberg theory. In Jean Piaget theory, we have discussed that how cognitive development or thinking process in child develops with the age. In four stages. This theory explains how moral development takes place in human. Kohlberg was an American psychologist and was inspired by the Jean Piaget and developed his theory. He studied how people decide what is right or wrong. This theory focuses on moral development. According to Kohlberg theory, as people grow, their way of thinking about right and wrong or good or bad change at different stages of life. In this way, they develop their morality. According to Kohlberg theory, there are the three levels and each level has two stages. So there are the six stages of age in which moral development takes place. The theory levels are pre-conventional, conventional, and post-conventional, and each has two stages. According to Kohlberg, all people cannot reach to the climax stage or higher stage. It means that all people cannot grow fully in moral development. Let us now we discuss these theory level and six stages in detail. The first level of moral development is pre-conventional level, which is usually seen in children. At this stage, children show morality just for self-interest or reward and punishment. This level have two stages, which is obedience and punishment, and other is individualism and exchanging. At obedience and punishment stage, the reason of the morality here is just avoiding punishment. For example, a child does not steal because of fear of getting caught. And second stage of the pre-conventional level is individualism and exchange. At this stage, if child do something good, that is just for the self-interest. He thinks just what benefits me and have the mindset of give and take. For example, he says that I will help you if you help me back. The second level of the moral development is conventional level, which is usually seen in teenage. The base of morality at this level is social approval and law and order. The two stages of the conventional levels are good boy or good girl, and the second stage is law and orders. At first stage of the conventional level, seeking approval or being liked is the reason of morality. At this stage, he is pleasing others just for being seen as nice. For example, helping someone just for appreciation. And at the second stage of the conventional level, law and order, they just want to respect authority, law, and order. At this stage, they begin to following rules and keeping society better and stable. For example, they are not stealing because they think laws maintain order. We can say that this is the level of teenage and many adults. At this level, people want appreciation and follow rules because they want to maintain order. And the third level of the moral development is post-conventional level. This is the level of adult. At this level, people just focus on moral principles and they think that ethics are greater than rules or important than rules. This is rare, just reached by adult. At this level, people think about moral principles, even they go against rules. The first stage of the post-conventional level is social contract, and the climax stage is universal ethical principles. At first stage, people just focus on fairness, justice, and rights of people. Just they think what promote justice and human rights. And laws are important but they can be changed for greater good. For example, supporting protest for the rights of people. And at the higher stage, universal ethical principle, people just have the inner moral code and they can break law. They just follow inner moral values even if it's hard, and follow conscience. For example, saving life by hiding refugees. This is climax only rare and precious people can reach at this stage of moral. Thanks for watching.